Hello and welcome back to Here We Tow. This week it's something a little bit different. You might have seen that Marks & Spencer's has brought out a huge burger, enough to feed 4 people. And it's been suggested that Jules could probably eat this single-handedly. Well, we've been out and we bought one. So if you want to see Jules eat the Marks & Spencer's giant burger, join us after this.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for.
So here it is. This is the daddy of all burgers, and to go with it, we've got the daddy of all burgers bun. So just what is this? This burger weighs a kilo in weight. It cost £8.50 and in total it has 2,400 calories. Oof, yes, quite a lot. And 80 grams of fat. It's a whopper, but not literally, because that's Burger King. So what do we need to know about this? Yes, it's a huge burger. In the centre it has creamy cheese and it's wrapped in streaky bacon. How long does it take to cook? It takes an hour, 60 minutes. We're going to be bobbing this onto the cob and seeing how well it cooks up. Once it's cooked, we bob it in the daddy of all burgers bun. £1.50 this costs from Marks & Spencer's. To balance all this fat and calories, we of course have a side salad. And we're going to be covering it in this. It's Marks & Spencer's special barbecue burger sauce. This is unbelievable. If you like Big Macs from McDonald's, this, I think, is their special recipe because it tastes exactly the same. So, special burger sauce. And if that's not enough, we've also got some roasted garlic mayo. That's what we've got, that's what we're going to do, so let's get on with it. So let's open up the daddy of all burgers, see exactly what's inside. Once we get it out of the box, you can see it's in a vacuum packed bag. So we'll cut that open and bob this onto the cob. I'll see you over at the cob. And it's on. So this is it, the main event. The burger has been on the cob for nearly 2 hours. It's obviously a lot longer on the cob than it would be on the oven or more direct heat. So let's have a look and see how it's coming along. And there it is. There's cheese spilling out. The meat's well cooked. I think it's time to give it a go. So let's get the toasted bun, whip it on here and cut into it. So here is the daddy of all burger buns. We've buttered it, we've toasted it, and now we're going to whop the burger onto it. Not that one, Gary. There we go. Normally I'd have a much better assistant, but today I've got Gary Brooks, who nearly dropped the daddy of all burgers on the floor, made the daddy of all messes with it. So, the burger is on the bun. We put his little hat on. The boys tell me they don't want salad today, so we're not putting salad on the burger. So there we go. This is the daddy of all burgers. I'm going to use a huge knife to cut into it. Let's hope this works. Oof, it's going well. So in the middle we should have the daddy of all burgers cheese, which I can see is spilling out now. So we've cut into it. Let's open it up. Wow. That looks pretty amazing. And as you know, I can't cook, but
That's why I've cooked.
that is mega. It's completely cooked through. The cheese is all sloppy. It's time to sauce it up and for the chaps to give it a good old test. So there we go. Have a closer look at that, guys. The Marks and Spencer's Daddy of all burgers, a kilo burger designed to feed 4. I think really it's probably more likely to feed 2. So, as I say, let's sauce it up, give it to Gary, give it to Jules and give it a test.
Are we
Get your
going
burgers.
to put one on one side and then quarter it again?
Let's quarter it.
So, are you going to have one with garlic
Yeah,
and one with...
that sounds like a
garlic
plan.
and one with the
Burger, special burger sauce.
yeah. It's lovely, isn't it?
And help out with this one. There we go. Okay, that one's done. That one's done.
Let's quarter it.
I'm not entirely sure how you're going to eat this.
Slowly.
Very carefully, Gary, I think.
Slowly and carefully.
Yeah.
Look at the cheese.
This could be a bit lively.
That cheese looks smashing.
I'm pretty impressed with it, to be fair.
Yeah.
I think it's more a novelty than a... Don't know.
I'm going to make it a regular.
I think we'll have to buy some more of these.
Yeah. Well, to be fair, yeah, it's £10, but it's meant to feed 4, but I think it's going to feed 2, so that's £5 each, which that's not too bad, really.
Not bad. That's
So there we go.
normal price for a decent burger,
Yeah.
isn't it? There we go.
Right.
Right then.
Choose your weapon, chaps. Let's see how it goes.
Ooh, it's pretty difficult to eat without a knife and fork, to be honest with you.
That's the southerner in you, Gary.
Stand by, I'm going in.
We're on
Okay.
China. We're on China.
Right, we're going for the garlic mayonnaise first of all. A bite of the garlic mayo. Jules has got a very good technique there.
Mmm. 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 Mmm.
Oh, wow.
That's cracking.
Sounds promising.
That's well seasoned meat as well.
I can smell it.
Mmm.
Smells nice.
Mmm.
So there we go. That is
Mmm.
the Marks and Spencer's Daddy of all burgers in the Daddy of all buns bun. And what do we think, guys?
Big thumbs up from me.
Big thumbs up.
And from me.
Sadly, Fudge isn't having any.
It's like an American burger, this.
Oh,
Takes me back.
Super. So
hopefully,
catch you
in the next
in the
one.
next one.